Hello everyone, with you artprograms. In this video we create barrier to our game Pacman. Let's start with create file pixel.dart. Write class pixel, extends status widget, add method build and add constructor. Return sized box. Write variable final color, inner color, next variable color, other color, next variable widget, child, add variable to constructor, then we write to method build widget padding and write edge insets, circular, maybe all, one, const, then we write parameter child, add widget clip rect, this class we create because we need add barrier to our game. Add parameter border radius, write border radius dot circular, then we add 6, write parameter child to widget container, write parameter padding and edge insets dot all 4 const. Write child clip rect, border radius circular 10, child to container, color inner color, child center, child to child, save. Then we open main.dart and correct this file, and we update class myapp, delete class myHomepage, we create new file home page. Remove this class. Now we write sized box, update class material up, delete them, write parameter debug show check mod banner, write false, and create file home page dot dart class home page extends status widget, add method build, and add constructor, save, and home we add to home page. Write return to method build as add widget scaffold, save, write variable number in row and the variable number of squares, and let's start with convert to stateful widget. Write variable static type int number in row 11, type variable int number of squares, and to number in row 16. Then we open method build and write background color colors black. Then we write body widget column children. Then we write widget expanded. Then we write parameter flex, add media query dot of context size dot height dot to int, then 0.0139 convert to answer to int, write widget grid view builder, add parameter padding, copy media query, then if const edge insets we use only top 80, then next const edge insets only top 20. Next parameter, physics, write const, never scrollable physics. Next parameter, we use item builder, write number of squares, maybe item count. Okay. Grid delegate, we use sliver delegate with fixed cross-axis count, write number in row, write item builder, build context, then index, add if, maybe now we write return, write sized box, save. Now we create file constraints, .dart, write class contains, write variable barriers, we use static variable, list int, barriers array list, and add save number, copy, save, and we open home page, write if contains dot import barriers dot constraints, maybe index, then return pixel, inner color, write colors dot blue, next parameter other color, colors dot blue, else return const pixel, right parameter inner color, colors dot black, other color, colors dot black, save. And now we open emulator and look result our work. We open emulator and now we have a result bar here, and we open file pixel, add parameter color and write other color, save, hot restart, and now we have new design bar here. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next video. Bye.